Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest account step by step. A Pinterest account lets you discover, save, and organize ideas for inspiration, projects, and more. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Pinterest website. On the home page, click the Sign Up button. Enter your email address. Next, create a password. Then enter your age. Click Continue. You can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account if you prefer. Next, enter your name if prompted. Then choose your interests so Pinterest can personalize your home feed. Click Done or Continue. Your Pinterest account will now be created. You can start searching for ideas, creating boards, and saving pins. And that's it. You've successfully created a Pinterest account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pinterest tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.